welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make banana chocolate walnut ice cream. For that the ingredients are, I have 3 frozen bananas here. I have some vanilla extract here. I have some cocoa powder 4 tablespoons. I have fresh cream here. I have 3 tablespoons of honey and 1 full cup of walnuts. In the first step, I will be cutting the frozen bananas. It is frozen very well. Now I have added my finely chopped and frozen bananas into a blender like this. In this I will be adding 3/4 cup of walnuts and I will be adding 4 tablespoon cocoa powder and I will be adding half cup of cream, fresh cream. Now I will be adding the honey. It is 4 tablespoons. And at the last I will be adding half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Let us blend all these ingredients. By adding walnuts and banana, it is very healthy to our body and also gives a very rich taste and flavor in our ice cream. I am going to blend it. Now all our blended ingredients are ready. We will be taking an airtight container and I'll be pouring. After adding all the mixture, ice cream mixture into the airtight box, I will be closing using a lid. Now we will be tapping this box like this because there will be some air bubbles inside. We should not let air go inside and close it very tightly. We have to frozen this in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours, or you can also keep it overnight in the freezer. Just a minute. After freezing, I will be decorating it. Now, after freezing for 6 to 8 hours, my ice cream looks like this. I'll be taking a serving plate and a bowl. Before serving it in our bowl, I'll be taking some lukewarm water and dipping my scooper. After dipping, I will be taking out my ice cream. Like this. Now, after scooping out my ice cream in the bowl, for the decoration, I have cutted half an apple here. You have to cut like this and like this and take off the excess part. Repeat the same method. Now we will be cutting like this. We don't need this part. we will be taking a piece of toothpick and inserting it in the apple, and then at last we will be separating again. Now it will be easy for you to separate like this. We'll be taking a piece of raisins, 2 raisins, and the other edge of the toothpick we have to do like this. For keeping it up of the ice cream, it will be very good. The other part of the toothpick we will be inserting it in the ice cream, and this part would be at the top. Now, after scooping out my ice cream in the bowl, I will be keeping the apple like this. And now, for more garnishing, I will take some honey and pour it in the ice cream. Now our ice cream is ready. It is in a very good taste and it's a best ice cream ever for eating. You must try this recipe in your home because it is very healthy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sidra's Infotainment. Thank you. Bye. I'm going to enjoy my ice cream.